Hello and welcome to Bird Pop Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some eggs and bacon and toast, if you like that too. Now time to go get the ingredients. Bacon, eggs, cheese, butter, and some English muffins. Now time to get the pan. The lighting is really bad. There we go, now you can see my beautiful face. Okay, now we're going to go to the oven and set it to medium. And now we wait. So now a word from our sponsors.
Hi, oranges! And an apple.
Okay, now that the pan is hot enough, we're going to bring the camera over here. Yeah, come on, over here. Get the ingredients so we can start making this delicious eggs and bacon. Eggs and bacon. Alright, now we're going to put the eggs on. Let me get the butter. Oh, yes. Okay, now that it's starting to sizzle up good, I think we could start putting the eggs on now. Oh shoot, eggshells. Okay, now we're gonna wait until this simmers. Now we're gonna start putting our bacon on. Bobby, come on man, why didn't you supply the scissors when I asked you to restock the fridge?
I'm sorry.
Now we got the bacon open, let's start putting this on the pan. Now we're just gonna put these on here nice like that. I think the pan might not be hot enough yet, but it's pretty hot. Check it out, I got my eggs, got my bacon, and we're all set. Okay, now it looks like our eggs are done, so I'm just gonna go over the plate and let's put it on.
Toast is popping.
The bacon will be up momentarily. So now the toast is done, so I'm going to plop that there. Butter them real nice. Butter them real nice. Alright, now the toast is buttered, so now we just got to wait for this pesky bacon. Let's clean this up. Woo!
Oh, sorry. And add that to
Pickles.
Oh no, my hand smells weird. The cabinets all used to be brown, but now...
hand clap.
Yeah.
The bacon is still coming, but it'll be here soon. Today, our taste testers are Hayden and Sage Marshall. Who thinks this bacon looks good?
I don't.
Looks like our bacon is done.
Guys, ready? Time for the taste test. Oh god, that's hot.
So now we're tasting. How do those muffins taste?
Not very good. They're kind of hard. They're expired.
But you went to my house and you salty!
Hey, what percent?
Muffin is like a 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, and eggs are like a 7 or maybe 8.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Bird Pop Kitchen. Smash that like.
Smash that one.
Good night.